Hey, how you doing? CK, welcome to CK's Kitchen. A little something different than what I've been doing. We got invited to a party, right? Our friend Faith had a birthday and she bought a house, so she's having a birthday house party warming, I don't know, some kind of combination party, and it was bring an appetizer, so I'm gonna bring an appetizer, right? So I'm just throwing something together real fast. I could be wrong, but I think I remember that she likes the taste of my balls. I'm pretty sure she does. I think Faith tasted my balls and she liked it. But you know, even if I misremember, it doesn't make a difference because everyone loves the taste of my balls. So I'm gonna bring my balls with me, and I think she's gonna really have a good time with me. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm a little pre-prepared here. I'm starting with like 2 packages, like 20 ounces of chopped spinach. It's frozen chopped spinach, which is actually unfrozen chopped spinach. Vincenzo gets mad at me if I say we're eating something frozen, like frozen pizza, and then it's cooked because he thinks it's going to be frozen. So, so this is not frozen anymore spinach. It's post-frozen chopped spinach. I just like microwaved it to defrost it, right? And to that, I'm going to add, I'm going to check my menu here, like 2 cups of just pre-made stuffing mix. And normally I would use regular stuffing mix and then add like parsley and garlic powder and you know, thyme and you know, all those kind of things that taste really good. But they had this herb de Provence stuff I got in the store. It's got thyme, basil, fennel, lavender. It's like soap, tarragon, rosemary, and savory. I don't even know what savory means. I mean, it's a word, an adjective, but it's in there. So I just added about a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper, and I figure that's enough. I'm gonna pour that right in there. Be nice if the bowl was big. I should have used a bigger bowl, but I wasn't thinking. So to that, I gotta add a small onion chopped up. So to save time, I have food processed a small onion. It's not processed food. It's just food I put in a food processor. I mean, it's a natural, real, you know, grown into dirt onion. And again, I have used my microwave, the miracle of technology, like Grandma used to use, and I have microwaved a stick of butter. So it is liquid butter. Yeah, because like Vincenzo gets mad if I say something's a stick and it's not a stick. So, formally, a stick of butter. I mean, I got 4 beat up eggs. I beat the crap out of these eggs earlier. So I beat these eggs up, 4 of them. I beat the crap out of those eggs. I'm putting them in there, like that. It's beautiful. And then I got some about a half a cup here of a blend of Parmesan and Romano cheese. So the Delgato, Robusto, you combine them together, you got, pow, you got cheese. So I got a little cheese in there. It's going to give it a cheesy taste because that's what cheese does, right? And now is a time when I would add, I'd recommend you add red pepper. Not a lot, I mean, just the amount that you think you like. I mean, it's going to make a lot of balls, but you want your balls spicy, right? I mean, everyone likes a spicy ball. So, but I ain't going to use red pepper. CK didn't let me use my Lucifer blend in my rib dry rub the other day, so I'm using it now. This is St. Lucifer for the Glory of Habanero blend. This stuff is the tits. I love this. So I'm gonna put some of this in. Not a lot, because I mean, I'm going to a party with other people and I don't know how much they like it. But figure, that's not that much when you figure how much is, you know, how many balls are gonna be eaten, right? So then I'm gonna mix these balls up, and then I'm gonna ball them, and then I'm gonna bake them. Okay, they're thoroughly mixed. Now my hands are dirty and I need to touch things. I could wash my hands, or I can call in an assistant. Em, get in here. Come here, Em.
Hey.
Here's Em. Em, can you do me a favor?
Yeah, I can do you a favor.
Can you grab the oil spray stuff and just spray down those pans real fast?
Got the pans.
This is CK's friend Em. Em, say hi to the camera.
Hey, guys.
And she's hanging over here today. Beautiful. Do that one.
Is that enough spray?
Yeah, it'll work.
Because I can add more spray.
No, you don't need no more spray. That's fine. Hey, I don't need no more spray.
Okay.
Don't overspray. You're gonna make it all oily. Thanks. Say goodbye, Em.
Oh, bye, guys.
Thanks for helping. Don't let the door hit you on the way out.
Oh.
Okay. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna make some nice size balls. I'm not sure what the right size. I may have to test these, but I think that'll work. So I'm gonna fill up the pans. I may need another pan. I'll get another pan, and then we will bake my balls. Yeah, I'm almost done making my balls. As you can see, I needed another pan, so Peg came in and she helped me out. My wife Peg came in here. She's visiting. I mean, home, but you know, she's usually on the Pro Bowlers tour. She's been in Canada recently bowling, and she's back in town, so it was nice to have her here this weekend, and you know, it's kind of celebratory balls when she comes to town. You know, I don't get my balls tasted very often when she's out of town, so I'm looking forward to this. Okay, so now that I got these done, I'm going to take these, I'm going to throw them in a 375 oven that I've already have preheated for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes until they just get a little bit of crust on them and, you know, cook all the way through. And then we're going to package them up. So I'm going to go wash my hands first, as you can imagine, and then I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I have taken, why is this spaghetti on the... that means that Vincenzo is planning on having spaghetti while the rest of us are at the party. Let me get rid of that. Here is the last of my balls. So I just had to shift them around in the oven, kind of switch racks just to make sure they all get evenly cooked since I have multiple racks of balls, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the balls in this container here, wrap it with some foil, and then we're going to bring it to the party. You know, we got a present. We weren't supposed to bring presents, but we bring presents. We got balls, we got presents, maybe bring a little wine. It's going to be a nice time. So happy birthday and happy housewarming, Faith. And the rest of you, try my balls. You're going to like it, I promise.